Hello students, I am here to explain the second part of the lesson, an encounter of a special kind. So students, let's continue with our story from unit number 1.2. An encounter of a special kind by Tapan Mukherjee. As I told you, we are divided the lesson into two parts. Already we have discussed on first part. Now this is the second part, page number 10 and 11. Now start at page number 10, paragraph number 2. I am going to read the second paragraph from page number 10. Open your book. I took the baby langur in our backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. His body was full of deep bite marks and scratches. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. The baby remained motionless. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing even though his breaths were shallow. Look here. Last paragraph or last part, we have seen the big male langur left the half-dead baby langur when the narrator attacked him by throwing stones at him. The baby langur was rolling down the roof, and when the baby langur was rolling down, the writer or the boy was managed to catch the tail of baby langur. But the dogs were barking and waiting for their meal below the roof. But somehow, the writer or the narrator managed to get hold of the baby langur. But the baby langur was very serious. It was motionless. It was inert. By then, the narrator's family members and neighbors came around. Now the writer took the baby langur. I took the baby langur to our backyard. Means the writer took the baby langur to their backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. On the floor inside the poultry coop. Coop means cage. पोल्ट्री कूप मीन्स केज. कोंबड्याच्या खुराड्यामध्ये हळुवारपणे त्या बेबी लंगूरला लेखकाने नेऊन ठेवलं. ही टूक द बेबी लंगूर इन टू द पोल्ट्री कूप. द बॉडी ऑफ द बेबी लंगूर वॉज फुल ऑफ डीप बाईट मार्क्स अँड स्क्रॅचेस. मीन्स फुल ऑफ वुंड्स. पूर्णपणे त्याला जखमा झाल्या होत्या. And the blood was oozing from the wounds. Oozing means releasing or overflowing. रक्त वाहत होतं. Means the blood was coming out from the some of the wounds. The baby remained motionless. Means without any movement. निश्चित पडलं होतं. काहीच हालचाल नव्हती त्या बेबी लंगूरची. The writer's father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. The writer's father provided first aid to clean the wounds and to stop the bleeding. First aid means help given to sick or injured one until full medical treatment is available. मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट अवेलेबल होण्याच्या अगोदर केलेला उपचार म्हणजे प्रथम उपचार, फर्स्ट एड. रायटर सॉ दॅट द बेबी वॉज ब्रेथिंग दो his breaths were shallow, नॉट डीप. जरी श्वासोच्छवास मंदावला असला तरी लेखकाच्या लक्षात आलं की त्याचा श्वास चालू होता, श्वास घेणं. आणि हे पाहून लेखकाला थोडंसं हायसं वाटलं. आय वॉज रिलीव्ड. द रायटर वॉज रिलीव्ड टू सी दॅट द बेबी वॉज ब्रेदिंग. द रायटर वॉज बर्डनलेस. हे रिॲश्युअर्ड. लेखकाला थोडंसं हायसं वाटलं. नाऊ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द नेक्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ. Splashes of cold water made the baby stir, and after a few shaky attempts, he sat up. He was in state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. His two little twinkling eyes welled up with tears, and he started to sob with a muffled cry, just like a human child would after expressing trauma. I offered him a peeled banana, which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began taking hesitant bites. The writer was relieved to see that the baby langur was breathing, and so the writer sprinkled some cold water on the baby, and the baby made a slight physical movement. The baby made movement. Splashes of cold water or sprinkled of some cold water. थंड पाण्याचे हपकारे मारल्यावर, थोडंसं पाणी त्याच्यावर मारल्यावर थंड, the baby stirred, the baby made movement, and after a few shaky attempts, the baby langur sat up. Means the baby langur was very much frightened, and shaky attempts means trembling, unstable, because he was very much afraid, very much shocked, and was startled, trembling like a leaf in the wind. झाडाचं पान जसं वाऱ्याने थरथर कापावं, हलावं, तसं ते पिल्लू भीतीने थरथर कापत होतं. His two little twinkling eyes welled up. His eyes filled with tears. His eyes welled up means filled with tears. त्याचे डोळे पाण्याने डबलेबलेले होते. And he started to sob with muffled cry. Sob means to gasp noisily while crying. हुंदके देणे. He started to sob with muffled cry, just like a human child after experiencing trauma or a great distress. Muffled means not loud, suppressed sound, quietened sound. दबलेले आवाज किंवा दबक्या आवाजात हुंदके देत ते रडत होतं. जस्ट लाईक अ ह्युमन चाइल्ड. एखादं छोटं मूल, धसका बसलेल्या, शारीरिक मानसिक आघात झालेल्या छोट्या मुलाप्रमाणे ते हुंदके देत होते. The writer offered him a peeled banana. Then the writer offered him a peeled banana. Peeled means without outer covering. सोललेलं त्याला केळं दिलं. The baby accepted the banana. The baby took the banana with his unsteady hand, a shaking, trembling hand, and started taking hesitant bite. बिचकत घाबरत त्याने ते केळं खायला सुरुवात केली. Now we will turn over to the next paragraph. My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. Suddenly, I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. I turned away from the coop and looked up. There sat the mother langur on our kitchen roof, watching every move I made. She simply sat there quietly as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. The writer said, "My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur." Means the writer concentrated on the revival of the baby langur. Means he paid attention on the improvement on the condition of the baby. Revival means bringing back to life. त्या छोट्या लंगूरच्या पिल्लाच्या पुनरुज्जीवन करण्यासाठी त्याने आपलं पूर्णपणे लक्ष तिकडे दिलं होतं. The writer concentrated on the revival of the baby langur. But at that time, suddenly, the writer felt strange feeling, uncanny feeling. Uncanny means strange feeling. विचित्र जाणीव त्याला काहीतरी जाणवलं लेखकाला. ऑफ बीइंग वॉच्ड. आपल्यावर कोणीतरी लक्ष ठेवून आहे अशी विचित्र जाणीव लेखकाला झाली. आपण हे सगळं करतोय तो कोणतरी आपल्यावर लक्ष ठेवून आहे. सो द रायटर फेल्ट दॅट समवन इज कीपिंग अन आईज ऑन हिम. सो द रायटर टर्न्ड अवे फ्रॉम द कूप अँड लुक्ड अप. And there the writer saw the mother langur sitting and watching on every moment, every move I made. So the writer turned away from the coop and looked up, and there he saw the mother langur and it's sitting on their kitchen roof and watching every move. But she sat there quietly, because she was convinced, as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. And there he saw the mother langur was watching, and she was sure, she felt certain, she assured that no harm was being done to her child. आपल्या पिल्लाला या मुलाकडून काहीही जाणार नाही याची त्या मदर लंगूरला खात्री पटली. Now student, we will turn over to the next paragraph. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother and started to sob and cry a little louder. I retreated from the door of the coop to allow the mother access to her baby. Look here, while the baby sensed the presence of his mother, म्हणजे त्या पिल्लाला त्याच्या आईची चाहूल लागली. अँड ही स्टार्टेड टू सॉब अँड क्राय अ लिटल लाउडर. हुंदके द्यायला लागले आईच्या चावलीने. सो द रायटर रिट्रीटेड, मूव्ड बॅक फ्रॉम द डोर ऑफ द कूप सो दॅट शी कुड एंटर द कूप अँड मीट हर बेबी. लेखक थोडासा पाठीमागे गेला का, तर त्या मदर लंगूरला आपल्या बाळाला भेटता यावं म्हणून. सो लुक ॲट द नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ. इमिजिएटली द मदर descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. She gave the baby a thorough body inspection to check his injuries and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. The baby found great solace in her caring arm. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. It was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from further assault. Look here, in this paragraph, immediately means at once, tatkal, the mother descended means move downwards. Look here in this diagram. Ascending means upwards and descending means downwards, utartya. Descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arm. She checked her body thoroughly. Thoroughly means she checked the baby's injury and cuddled him tightly in her bosom. She held closely near her chest. बाळाला त्या आपल्या कवेत घेतलं. He thoroughly inspected her wounds. Now the baby found comfort and peace in her arms. Her caring arms, तिच्या मातेच्या मिठीत त्या छोट्या बाळाला दिलासा मिळाला. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. For a few minutes. For a few seconds. ते काही मिनिटे बाळाला मांडीवर घेऊन ती मदर लंगूर तशीच बसली. शी वॉज पॉन्डरिंग, शी वॉज थिंकिंग ओर डीपली. शी वॉज पॉन्डरिंग, थिंकिंग ओर डीपली फॉर सम टाइम. हाऊ टू कीप हर बेबी सेफ फ्रॉम फर्दर अटॅक, फर्दर असॉल्ट. पुढे पुन्हा हल्ला होऊ नये म्हणून आपल्या बाळाला कुठे ठेवावं याच्यासाठी सी वॉज पॉन्डरिंग ओर, विचार करत होती. नाउ आय एम गोइंग टू रीड द नेक्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ. फॉर अ फ्यू सेकंड द मदर लंगूर लुक्ड स्ट्रेट इन टू माय आईज. Even today, I cannot forget that look in her eyes, showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. I was overwhelmed by the emotion, the sentiment, and the way she said thanks to me. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. Now look here for a few seconds. The mother langur looked straight into the narrator's eyes, the writer's eyes. लेखकाच्या डोळ्यात डोळे घालून ती मदर लंगूर काही सेकंद पाहत होती. काय सांगायचं होतं बरं त्या भाषेतून? शी वॉन्टेड टू कन्वे द नॅरेटर. तिला सांगायचं होतं, काहीतरी व्यक्त करायचं होतं. दॅट शी वॉज व्हेरी मच ग्रेटफुल टू हिम फॉर सेविंग हर चाइल्ड. माझ्या बाळाला तू वाचवल्याबद्दल मी तुझे फार उपकार करत, माझ्यावर फार उपकार झालेत. शी वॉज एक्सप्रेसिंग हर बिग थँक्स टू हिम थ्रू हर सायलेंट आईज विदाउट एनी वर्ड्स. शब्द न वापरता फक्त त्या शांत डोळ्यातून तिला एक्सप्रेस करायचे होते. हर आई शॉर्ड सायलेंट ग्रॅटिट्यूड, कृतज्ञता व्यक्त केली फॉर द नॅरेटर फॉर हिज काइंडनेस अँड कंपॅशन. द नॅरेटर कुड अंडरस्टँड हर फिलिंग्स, हर सेंटिमेंट मीन्स इमोशन, भावना, अँड द वे ऑफ थँकिंग हिम थ्रू हर इलोक्वेंट आईज. The writer was overwhelmed. He had strong emotional effect on him. Overwhelmed, लेखक भारावून गेला. काही क्षणासाठी त्या मातेने लेखकाच्या डोळ्यात डोळे घालून पाहिले आणि आपल्या पिल्लाचे रक्षण केल्याबद्दल मूकपणे, अगदी विदाउट एनी वर्ड्स, शब्द न वापरता बिचारीने कृतज्ञता व्यक्त केली. तिच्या डोळ्यातील ते भाव आणि आभार मानण्याची पद्धत ह्याने लेखक पुरता भारावून गेला. रायटर कांट फॉरगेट दॅट लुक इन हर आईज इवन टुडे. लेखकाला ते भाव अजूनही विसरता आलेले नाही त्या मदर लंगूरचे. देअर सॅट अ युनिव्हर्सल मदर होल्डिंग अ स्ट्रायकन चाइल्ड इन हर लॅप. युनिव्हर्सल मीन्स ऑफ ऑल एक्झिस्टिंग एव्हरीवेअर. वैश्विक माता, युनिव्हर्सल मदर. अँड स्ट्रेकन मीन्स युअर सफरिंग. दुःखी कष्टी म्हणजे आपल्या दुःखी कष्टी बाळाला कवेत घेऊन दिलासा देणारी साऱ्या विश्वाची माता लेखकाला त्या मदर लंगूरमध्ये दिसली. द रायटर or the narrator felt that whether animals or human, some feelings and emotion are the same. We get the feelings of a human mother in the mother langur, which is same everywhere in the world. So the mother is called an universal mother with its feelings for the child being universal. जे ह्या मदर लंगूरमध्ये त्याला वैश्विक माता दिसली की जिने आपल्या बाळाच्या प्रती असणारं प्रेम, आपल्या प्रेमळ बाळाला वाचवण्यासाठी त्या मुलाने जे कष्ट घेतले त्याच्या प्रती तिने कृतज्ञता व्यक्त केली. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ. देन इन अ फ्लॅश शी जम्प्ड विथ हर बेबी clinging to her belly and reached our kitchen roof. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur and then leaped away in the direction opposite to the place of the violent encounter. Then in a flash, means within a second, kshanardat, the mother langur means the mother jumped with her baby clinging means holding tightly to her belly. Belly means stomach. आपल्या त्या छोट्या बाळाला घट्ट पोटाला घेऊन, मिठीत घेऊन she jumped within a second and she reached the kitchen roof. Then there she surveyed. आणि तिथे जाऊन she surveyed the area for the vicious male langur, very evil, wicked male langur. She looked carefully and examined the area for the vicious male langur, a very evil, wicked male langur. त्या निर्दयी नरवांद्राचा, त्या निर्दयी नरवांद्राचा कानोसा घेत तिने आजूबाजूचा परिसर निरखला. and then she leaped away, jumped away opposite to the place of the violent attack. हिंसक हल्ला, ज्या बाजूने तो हिंसक हल्ला झाला होता त्याच्या विरुद्ध दिशेला तिने झेप घेतली. Now turn over to the next paragraph. The brief meeting with the mother and the baby langur convinced me that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. The mother langur showed me that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal, but that there were other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion and mutual understanding. Look here, the brief meeting, the short meeting. जर ती एक छोटी क्षणाची झालेली ती भेट with the mother langur and the baby langur, त्या माता आणि तिच्या बाळाची ती भेट, that convinced the writer, convince means खात्री पडली लेखकाची, that made him sure that interspecies communication, interspecies means between two species, वेगवेगळ्या प्रजातींतील प्राणीमात्रांचा एकमेकांमधील जो संवाद असतो त्याला म्हटलं इंटरस्पीसीज कम्युनिकेशन, अँड म्युच्युअल ट्रस्ट, बाइंडिंग इच अदर ट्रस्ट, परस्परांबद्दलचा विश्वास त्याला दिसला. इंटरस्पीसीस कम्युनिकेशन अँड म्युच्युअल ट्रस्ट इज इंडीड अ रियालिटी. हे सत्य आहे. परस्परांमधील संवाद आणि दृढ विश्वास. अँड शुड एनीवन स्ट्राईक द राईट कॉर्ड अंडरस्टँडिंग द फिलिंग ऑफ इच अदर, then the relationship hums into action. The relationship become more active. Hums into action means become more active. नातं अधिक सुरेख बनतं. Means in short, तुम्हाला थोडक्यात सांगतो. In short, we can say the incident convinced. हा जो प्रसंग झाला त्याने लेखकाची खात्री पटली. The narrator, त्या प्रसंगाने लेखकाची खात्री पटली की that interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality. प्राणीमात्रांचा एकमेकातील संवाद आणि परस्पर दृढ विश्वास ही खरोखरच सत्य गोष्ट आहे. If anyone does something right and make people feel sympathy, the relationship bosom. आणि एकमेकांच्या मनाच्या तारा जर योग्य रीतीने छेडल्या गेल्या तर नाते अधिक सुरेल बनते असं लेखकाला जाणवलं. अँड एनीवन स्ट्राईक द राईट कॉर्ड. या तारा जर मनाच्या छेडल्या, द रिलेशनशिप हम्स इनटू ॲक्शन. रिलेशनशिप बिकम मोर ॲक्टिव्ह. अँड धिस इन्सिडेंट showed the narrator that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal. संवादासाठी फक्त अन्न महत्त्वाचं नाही प्राण्यांमध्ये आणि माणसांच्या संवादासाठी. बट देअर वेर other means or ways of establishing their relationship through trust, compassion and mutual understanding. Compassion means sympathy, kindness, pity, दया ही सुद्धा करुणा ही सुद्धा खूप महत्त्वाची आहे. त्या पिल्लाच्या आईने, वानरीने लेखकाला दाखवून दिलं की मनुष्य आणि प्राणी यांमधील संपर्काचं साधन हे केवळ अन्न नसून त्यांच्यातील नाते दृढ होण्यासाठी परस्परांवरचा विश्वास, एकमेकांबद्दलची दया आणि सामंजस्य यासारखे इतरही अनेक मार्ग आहेत. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट पॅराग्राफ ऑफ दिस लेसन. 55 years have passed since that day. I am now 70 years old, but I still fondly remember that encounter of a special kind. The writer says, this incident happened some 55 years ago. And writer is now 70 years old. लेखक सांगतो की ही घटना 55 वर्ष झाली. मी आत्ता द रायटर इज नाऊ 70 years old. लेखक 70 वर्षाचा झालाय. मीन्स वेन ही वॉज 15 years old, that is, he was teenager. At that time, he unexpectedly met the mother langur. But he is still fondly remember that incident. Means very affectionately remember that encounter of a special kind. 55 वर्ष जरी होऊन गेली असतील या घटनेला तरी लेखकाने या अविस्मरणीय भेटीची आठवण आजही त्याच्या उराशी मनपूर्वक जपली आहे. कारण ही भेट होती, इट इज अ एन्काउंटर ऑफ अ स्पेशल काइंड. एक अविस्मरणीय भेट अशी त्याला झाली होती. दॅट द स्टोरी डिपिक्टेड द बॉन्ड ऑफ ट्रस्ट अँड म्युच्युअल अंडरस्टँडिंग बिटवीन मॅन अँड ॲनिमल. So friends, here we end the lesson, an encounter of a special kind. I hope you understand the lesson. So please learn the text and watch the videos both the videos on this lesson and try to solve the exercise given in the workshop. Thank you.